Hi, Ashley. This is Mrs. Leonardi. I wanted to make this video for you because I have some very, very serious concerns about the rough draft you turned in, and I wanted to show it to you through video. When I pulled up your paper to grade it, I'm talking about your 5-6 rough draft. I noticed right away over here that the similarity rating is 89%, which is extremely high. And so when I pulled up your paper, it shows me that all of this area in red has come from this source called helpguide.org. And so when I click on this helpguide.org, it's supposed to show me, it shows me where this resource came from and some of these. So all of this part that is in red within your rough draft, all of that has been basically copied and pasted to this rough draft, and I don't see any in-text citations. I don't see anywhere where you have given credit to this helpguide.org, or where you got this information. So Ashley, I mean, in essence, this is really, really bad. And I can't stress that enough. Typically, I would need to give this paper a 0. So I don't know what I think did you turn in your, let's look and see if you turned in your 7-4 paper yet. No, bear with me. Yeah, okay. So your final paper is at a 92%, Ashley. That is way high for similarity. So when I pull it up, okay, you've got some good. I mean, your APA still has some issues, but anyway, when I go over here and I click on this 92, again, it shows me all of this in red is copied and pasted from this helpguide.org. This part, well, at least you gave it a credit here, health.com. This part in purple looks like it came from Jubilee Sport. I don't know. Anyway, but you didn't give credit to this. And then here's a whole lot more red where you did not give credit, again, to this helpguide.org. Ashley, I simply can't accept this work. I have to get these have to be given zeros. I have 0 tolerance for copying and pasting of work. This is, I mean, you don't even have a works cited page. You don't have a references page. The grades on your 5-6 and your 7-4 are going to be extremely, extremely low, Ashley. And I'm sorry to have to, give you this. I know it is not what you want to hear, but I honestly, I don't think you're going to pass this class, especially with this work. And all the copying and pasting and then not giving credit to the resources, and that I have to give these assignments zeros. I did grade your writing plan, and it had some issues, so you can look at that as well, but I honestly can't accept this 5-6 and 7-4 assignments. They're just I just can't, Ashley. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.